it's Miss A. Welcome back to your academic coaching session. Today we are talking about reducing or simplifying fractions. Now with this particular concept, I like to remember in my brain something called hello, can you go? Huh. Hello, can you go? Huh. Now, what does that really mean? I'm not talking about doing the limbo game or anything like that, but when you're thinking of fractions, you want to put it in its lowest terms, the smallest numbers possible. So for example, let's take this first example. Let's say we have 20 over 30, right? 20/30ths. This is not the lowest terms that it's possibly in. You want it to go lower and lower and lower. Yes, I know I'm crazy, right? Anyway, what you want to do is you want to figure out what can I divide both of these numbers by to make it as small as possible. Well, watch this. Isn't it true that 10 can go into both of those numbers? Yeah. So I'm going to divide the top by 10. I'm going to divide the bottom by 10. Well, what's 20 divided by 10? Oh, it's 2. And then what's 30 divided by 10? Oh, it's 3. Can I go any lower than this? There's no other number besides 1 that both of these numbers can be divided. How low can you go? How low can you go? That's the lowest that we can go with this one. Let's try another one. Where's my eraser? I'll be right back. Found it. All right, so next example. Let's say we had 12/18ths, right? Once again, if there is a number that both of these can be divided by besides 1, that means it has not been reduced or it's not in its lowest term. Well, let's think of some numbers that can go into these. 2 can go into both of those. What about 4? Well, 4 goes into 12, but it doesn't go into 8. What about 6? Oh, even 3. Wait, I'm jumping all over the place. 6 is the largest number that goes into both of these. So I'm going to divide the top and the bottom by 6. 12 divided by 6, that gives me 2. And then 18 divided by 6, that gives me 3. Wow, 2/3 again, just like the last one. Can't go any lower than this. We're going to keep trying a few more examples just to, get used to it and get some practice going. How about 15 and 30? Okay, I see, and I'm like, okay, I know 5 can go into this. I'm going to do something different. Let me show you something real quick. Okay, if I was a student, and let's say that I only remembered, like the largest number that I could think of was 5, you could still divide the top and the bottom by 5. Let's see what we're going to get. 15 divided by 5 is what? 3. And then 30 divided by 5 is what? 6. But guess what, guys? How low can you go? You can go even lower than this. So sometimes when you reduce, you may find, wait a minute, there might have been something else that I could also keep reducing it by. Well, let's look at these numbers. Isn't it true that 3 goes into both of these? Divide by 3, divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. How low can you go? How low can you go? Can't get any lower than this. So if that happens, it's okay if you have to do it, 2 times, but let me show you. What's 3 times 5? 3 times 5 is 15. Guess what, guys? We could have divided the top and the bottom both by 15. Watch this. Oops. Divide by 15. Divide by 15. 15 divided by 15 is 1. 30 divided by 15 is 2. We still got down to our answer of 1/2. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Bye. Hello.